niggas, if you see this, even though this shit not for niggas, if you like their hairstyle, send this shit to your girlfriend. I know that might be crazy, but hey babe, I like this style. Like, you want to try it? She got a tutorial on how to do it. Hey babe, I know you were struggling doing this the last time. She got a tutorial on how to do it. Real simple.
Hey y'all, it's Tianashannell and I'm back with another video. Why like are my eyes like that? Am I getting older? Anyways, I'm back with the hairstyle that's on the thumbnail. Obviously, it's a real easy hairstyle, but the thing is, y'all see my hair. This is not my natural curl pattern. This is not my natural curl pattern. I'm gonna say it again. It's not my natural curl pattern. What I did was I put in perm rods, and I have a video on that already. I'm gonna tag it below, and I say I'm gonna tag it below and forget to tag it. So if I don't, remind me in the comments. But this is what you do on the old perm rod set. Honestly, my hair still look pretty good. Down, it's just giving like cute, big, and messy. But once your perm rod set gets old and it don't look good down, this is a perfect hairstyle to do. So first, I'm gonna do the edges. I be trying to figure out, should I waste my time doing my edges on camera? Or just do them off? And I'm gonna do halfway on, halfway off. But you can see the edges is kind of already pulled out. And to do the edges, get some Got2b spray, your favorite edge booster. Spray the toothbrush, shape it with the Got2b, hold it with the edge control. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. If y'all want a more detailed, because it's probably not gonna be that detailed, watch my edge tutorials. I got like 50 of them, truly.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blickies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in a tutu, make back pillows in the back. Too many rounds in the Phillies, AK, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still on me? How you gon' do that? Snatch the Ruger back, give a nigga yak attack. I get my shooter whack, eating cheese and that's the rat. Ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and Gunna fuck the same hoe, how you do that bitch? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that?
The edges don't have to be perfect. It should really give like fluffy and cute, kind of messy, because this is like a messy hairstyle. So I'm gonna do the other half off camera and then come back to y'all. Watch the edge tutorial if you want a full detailed edge tutorial. This side look better, and I think it's because I didn't try to do it on camera. Like, it's so hot. Well, it's not that big of a difference. The edges are done, y'all. Okay. Now for the fun part. Y'all, if y'all like wearing y'all hair natural but not all the way, perm rods is the best thing to do because it lasts for so long. Like, even if some parts aren't like curling in the way that you want, you just simply, like, you see how this is looser, I would simply just put another perm rod right. So at this point, you want to take the two front pieces, which is about like this much, thick in diameter. If you need to put some back, you can do that later, but you want these two pieces down. You can do other pieces too, like the side. One back down here. You can leave some in the kitchen down if you want. My phone died, sadly, so I had to clip it up. everything was just going too right for me.
Comments, leave me out of nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least it's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how
Your hair's hot. You're not slicking nothing. Like, it's supposed to be messy. Nothing has to be sleek. Put at the top of your hair. And kind of just form it into a bun. Well, you don't want to bun too tight because the tighter it is, the less messy it is. Do y'all see how this is already hitting and it's giving black Bridgerton? Like, what the fuck? I'm gonna really just, truthfully, though, basically leave it like this. This is just already too good. And I don't, yeah, it's just too good. So, I'm about to find me some bobbies because some shit needs to be pinched. So, this is just, yeah. You see my mistake of almost making it too tight. Don't do that. This part right here, I'm about to perm rod it. If you only add a little bit of water when you do this, it should dry in about 30 minutes or less. Other curls look fine. So, like, even this part, you see, it's like up, down. I'm gonna pin the base of it to like my root. So it's just like, you know what I'm saying? Not just down. Same thing for this side. Just kind of pin it to the base, and then same for this part that's in the very back. I'm also gonna redo this curl in the back because it's just like deformed. So this is the almost finished hairstyle. I'll come back when these dry for the finished product. But y'all cannot tell me this is not eating the fuck down and giving like classy bougie babe. Yeah. Y'all, I'm back. It's literally only been like 20 minutes and this is already what the curl look like. And this one too. So this is the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Just want to say that I end up pulling the pieces in the front down again. I just had them pinned up to get out my face while my hair was drying. But yeah, they were down again like it was in the clip before. I just don't think I ended it with me doing that. Love y'all. I'm telling y'all I'm gonna start doing more shit. I'm gonna start vlogging. I just gotta practice. And I'm gonna start practicing today. And I know that sounds stupid, but I want to get like entertaining stuff. And I also like don't want it to be like a everyday thing because I just like to enjoy the moment. And I'm real slow and I can't multitask. It's a lot going against me when it comes to the vlog and shit. So I gotta practice, y'all. I'm gonna practice tonight, I think. And if it's good, I'll post it. But if not, until next time, you know? So bye. I love y'all. I got more videos. show y'all, like, don't gatekeep me, y'all. Like, if y'all like the hairstyles, your friend will like it too.
Niggas, if you see this, even though this shit not for niggas, if you like the hairstyle, send this shit to your girlfriend. I know that might be crazy, but hey babe, I like this style, like you want to try it? She got a tutorial on how to do it. Hey babe, I know you were struggling doing this the last time. She got a tutorial on how to do it. Real simple.
Real simple. But bye, y'all. I'm gonna try to do my makeup because I just really lately have been embracing the natural look. Some of the makeup just do not be hitting like the way I want it to hit. But this is the end of the video. This is a long ass outro, but like, y'all, I really love this hairstyle. It's so cute, and it's so like easy to do and so like low maintenance. Like, do a perm rod set for real. You can do so much even when it get old.